Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Content Johnson, and this is your Meatless Monday. And this morning, we are actually going to do vegan French toast with vegan sausages. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so that you will be notified anytime I post one of these amazing videos. Well, I hope all has been going well with other stuff that you've been eating. And today we're going to whip it up real fast. This is something really quick that we can do. And just like I spoke about the plant-based eggs on yesterday, we're going to use those same eggs, but yet we are going to flavor it up a little bit and give it a nice French toast kick. And I know you may be saying, this looks a little different than the last time. Well, I'm playing around with some different angles, and I have my camera set, a little differently now. So by the time we get to lunch and dinner, I'll have these angles pretty much figured out. But let's cook. Okay, so what I got going on right now is just putting these sausage patties so they can start getting good and juicy as our eggs get fixed. You can use any brand that you're interested in, and currently these are the Gardein brand. So we're going to let that hang out for a little bit, and then we'll be back. Yes, ma'am, and yes, sir, our sausages are starting to look good. We'll flip them over real fast. Let them cook a little bit longer. And the skillet that I'm using is by Ayesha Curry. And I love this skillet, but the one thing that I will say about this skillet is this thing gets hot. I may have said it in another video, but the handle of this pot gets hot. So definitely be careful when using it. But other than that, I love how it browns your food. And it's just an amazing product. So go support it. So what I've pretty much done already, I've already poured our plant-based eggs, and I've already added a little bit of salt. I've already added some nutmeg. I've already added a little bit of cinnamon. I've already added a little bit of light brown sugar. You can use dark brown sugar as well as also a little splash of vanilla extract. And one thing about this pandemic that's been going on, it's been hard to get vanilla extract. I mean, it's expensive out there, so definitely if you have it, you better hold on to it, but you can definitely use a little splash of it every now and then. One of the things I realized that I need to do as I start doing these filming series, I need to get me a little lens so that, my camera can point straight down. So let's make this French toast and these sausages. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? Really, really simple. Something real quick and real easy and something real tasty. So, if you make it and you try it, leave me a little message in the comments and let me know what you thought about it. Until then, if there's anything else that you would be interested in learning how to make, or as I always say, if there's something you've been making and it's still nasty, send me a message or drop it in the comments, and I'll try to see if we can work it out together. But until then, keep seeking vegan.